Good morning guys, and Merry Christmas. So today we have come to the famous Kuang Si Waterfall in just outside of Luang Prabang. It's really early and it's really cold, and we're the first people here. Not only is there a waterfall here, but there's also a bear rescue centre, which we'll show you around in a bit later as well. But look, some bears. No, they're fake, but there's some real bears over there and everything. But we'll have a look at them. We'll come back and look at these in a bit. Right, so we're going to try and get to the top of that waterfall now. After about a 10-minute climb, we've made it to the top. Here we are. Again, there's nobody here, but I think the best spot was right at the bottom where it was like literally turquoise blue. Up here it's a bit dirty, but okay, so plan of action is we're going to head back down to the base of the waterfall and go and have a little swim in those gorgeous blue pools that we saw earlier. Gorgeous. It's just what you need to wake up on a cold Christmas morning. But it's a good job we came back down when we did, because it's now starting to get really busy. It's about, I don't know, it's about 9:30 maybe, so I think some of the tour buses and everything have started to turn up now. So we've been for a dip, dried off, and now we're going to have a bit of breakfast. Not those healthiest. Pringle type things, peanut bars, and some coffee.
Oh, it's cold outside.
So if the waterfall wasn't amazing enough, I don't know if I said earlier, there's also a rescue bear sanctuary here. So we're going to pack up all our food and head down.
Been so lonely, wishing you could hold me now. I've been trying, I'm in denial that I am gonna be alright. But under the stars, I close my eyes and think of you. Although you're far away, we're under the same stars, always.
Right guys, well that was both Kuang Si Waterfall and the Bear Rescue Centre. We're now gonna head back to our our homestay and then probably go and grab some food.
We did all the joy it brings to be with you.
Right, well we're back guys. I'm not going to film for the rest of the day because we have a nice relaxed Christmas afternoon and Christmas lunch later, so I will say bye for now and I will catch you in the next one.
We're under the same star.